Hi, so today my comparative biology presentation is on locomotion. Locomotion is a process from getting one place to another. The three type of animals that I'll be talking about today and contrasting is a crawfish from the phylum Arthropoda and a planarian from the phylum Platyhelminthes. And lastly, a starfish from the phylum Echinodermata. So crawfish maneuver and look, and they move and maneuver through water and on dry land. What they use in the ocean or in water environment are appendages that are called swimmerets, as they look like little paddles. It's what helps them maneuver and survive on water environments. And once they want to move, once they want to move and walk on land, they use their walking legs, which is located on the segment of the cephalothorax. And what else is on the cephalothorax is the mouth, the eyes, the antenna, and their mouth. What their diet consists of is small animals and small plants, and they use their claws in order to obtain that food and eat it. What else? They also have another segment called the abdominal, which is located right here. This is the abdominal, and this is the cephalothorax, which most of their major parts are, such as their legs and swim and their circulatory system is considered open because they have an exoskeleton. Their skeleton are on the outside, so they have organs. So the organs are exposed, but within these small gaps within the exoskeleton. And the next one I'll be talking about is planarian Plamenthius. The planarian, in order for its locomotion, is to move. It moves around with the cilia that's with their thousand cilia located located in the ventral dermis, which is outside these small little gray things. And what helps them maneuver more is that they produce like a mucus that helps them glide to one place from another. They usually like to hide or stay away from light sources, so they use the cilia to help them maneuver. And they are considered triploblastic due to them having three germ layers, the ectoderm, the mesoderm, and the endoderm. They have no circulatory system their as they have a small digestive system that consists of a mouth, a pharynx, and a gastrovascular system. Um, their diet consists of they are carnivorous as their diet consists of small and dead like animals. Yeah. And the third and last phylum I'll be talking about is Echinodermata, a starfish. A starfish, a starfish tends to attach to a hard surface or any with the use of their 2 feet. Yeah, their 2 feet. The way that their 2 feet work is that the the water vascular system. They have a thing called the water vascular system. What it is, it how it works is that water goes through the modular port. Modular port. Once the water flows within the modular port, um, it, it circulates within the it circulates within the central disc within here, and then it goes through the ring canal. And once in the ring canal, it goes to the radial canal. Well, once radial canals carry water, once it activates and helps the 2 feet in order causing it to go up in place and latch on. So it repeats this process until it until it wants to detach or attach to a specific place. The difference between these three animals are that one actually is freely moving within their diet. One is actually more free and diverse as it can walk on land and walk and swim around the ocean. The the starfish can go on land and can live in the ocean, but the planaria can only survive within water environments due to its due, due to its gas exchange organs and diffusion that it has. And yeah, I particularly chose these because I found them very interesting. I find interesting that the anthropoda has an exoskeleton and is able to travel and survive on land and water. And the most interesting fact about planarian is that it could be split into two and regenerate its body. But they're very three diverse creatures in their own way. And the sea star fascinates me as because its mouth is on the other side and its anus is on the front side. It's a very interesting animal. It doesn't move a lot since it's always attached to an object, and it stays in place, which is very interesting. Yeah. So these are my three selected phylum that I picked for locomotion. As locomotion is important for survival, as you need to get one place to another. As a planaria, as a planaria, it needs to get to one place to another in order to get its next prey, as a dead or a living animal. And a starfish um, needs its locomotion in order to attach to a small animal or a small plant in order to get its nutrients with the use of their tube feet and their digestive glands. On a crocodile needs locomotion that they have in mind with the use of their claws and mouth, and especially with their snorets and walking legs, as they are crucial for survival. Without locomotion, surviving wouldn't be possible, as these are the reason how and why they are living and are very important for their survival. Thank you.